Today's story will teach you an important lesson about honesty. This story about the poor boy and the kind shopkeeper. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Neil. He lived in a small village with his mother. Their life was very difficult. His father had died many years ago. His mother worked in different houses to earn money. He was a very honest and hardworking boy. Every morning he went to school. After school, he helped his mother with household work. Sometimes he also worked in the market to earn a little money. One day, the boy was walking home from school. He was very hungry because he had not eaten anything since morning. While walking through the market, he saw a small bakery shop. The smell of fresh bread was coming from the shop. The boy stopped in front of the bakery and looked at the bread quietly. The shopkeeper noticed him. The shopkeeper was an old man. The shopkeeper asked, "Boy, why are you standing there?" The boy felt shy. He said softly, "I am hungry, but I do not have money." The shopkeeper looked at the boy carefully. He understood that boy was honest. The shopkeeper smiled and gave him 2 pieces of bread. The boy was surprised. He said, "Thank you, sir, but I cannot take this for free." The shopkeeper smiled again and said, "It's okay. You can help me clean the shop tomorrow." The boy happily agreed. The next morning, the boy came to the bakery before school. He cleaned the tables, swept the floor, and arranged the bread properly. The shopkeeper was very impressed. The boy worked sincerely and never complained. Days passed. The boy continued helping at the bakery every morning and evening. The shopkeeper started liking the boy very much. He treated the boy like his own son. One evening, the shopkeeper asked the boy, "Why do you work so hard at such a young age?" The boy replied, "I want to help my mother. She works all day for me. I want to make her happy." The shopkeeper felt emotional after hearing this. He respected the boy even more. After a few months, the shopkeeper gave the boy a small salary for helping at the bakery. The boy became very happy. Now he could buy books and food for his family. The boy studied hard every night. Even after working long hours, he never stopped learning. One day, the shopkeeper became very sick. He could not open the bakery shop. The boy immediately went to help him. He cleaned the shop, baked bread with shopkeeper's instructions, and sold the bread in the market. The customers were very happy because the boy was polite and hardworking. After a few weeks, the shopkeeper recovered from his illness. He realized that the boy was not only hardworking but also trustworthy. The shopkeeper had no children. So one day he made an important decision. He called the boy and said, "You are like my son. One day this bakery will belong to you." The boy could not believe his ears. Tears came to his eyes. He said, "Sir, you changed my life. I will never forget your kindness." Years later, the boy became the owner of the bakery. He worked honestly and helped poor people in the village. Whenever a hungry child came to the bakery, the boy never sent them away hungry. People respected the boy because he was kind, honest, and hardworking. And the boy always remembered one thing: a small act of kindness can change someone's entire life. Moral of the story: honesty, kindness, and hard work always bring success.